Welcome home to Good Girl Holistic, the self-care hub for girls and women, a sanctuary to heal, learn, and grow. Good Girl Holistic is a trauma-sensitive, evidence-based, and inclusive approach to complete transformation of your mind, your body, and your soul. Good Girl Holistic combines scientific insights with holistic methods to create wellness experiences that enhances your overall well-being. We are a nonprofit organization, so please note that every like, every comment, and every share, every purchase, it all goes towards helping us create impact and positive change in our communities. Today's self-care practice, we will be reciting positive affirmations. Affirmations are powerful statements that can help you overcome negative thoughts and self-sabotaging behaviors. By consistently repeating these positive statements, you can cultivate a more positive mental attitude and empower yourself. This practice is essentially about positive thinking and self-empowerment. The title of our affirmation video today is Nature's Negative Energy Cleanse, a sense of earthing or grounding in an audio sense. This concept suggests that direct contact with Earth's surface can have health benefits by allowing free electrons from the Earth to enter the body, creating psychological benefits. Utilize it whenever you are experiencing overwhelming or uncontrollable thoughts, feelings, or emotions. If you can find yourself listening to this while in nature, it will only enhance your experience. Let's begin. I am grounded and connected to the Earth's healing energy. With every breath, I draw in the revitalizing power of nature. I release all negativity and allow nature's peace to fill me up. I am a part of nature, and its strength flows through me. Nature's rhythm soothes my soul and clears my mind. The sun's warm light burns away all negativity and fills me up with positive energy. Just like a flowing river, I release all stagnant energy and embrace the cleansing power of nature. I am rooted and strong, just like a tree, drawing strength and resilience from Earth. The wind carries away all my worries and leaves me refreshed and renewed. I am grounded and stable, drawing stability and security from the earth beneath my feet. The sun's light, the earth's strength, and the wind's breath cleanses and revitalizes me. I I release all negativity into the earth, where it is transformed into positive energy. I am surrounded by nature's healing powers, and I am open to receiving its blessing. I find peace and clarity in nature's embrace. Nature's tranquility washes away my stress and anxiety. I find my direction and my purpose by connecting with this natural, beautiful world. I am grounded and connected to the earth's healing energy. With every breath I take, I draw in the revitalizing power of nature. I release all negativity and allow nature's peace to fill me up. I am a part of nature, and its strength flows through me. Nature's rhythm soothes my soul and clears my mind. I release all negativity and embrace positive energy. I am a vessel of light, and negativity cannot reside within me. I am surrounded by love, light, and positive energy. I am strong and resilient, just like nature, and I can overcome any negative energy thrown my way. I choose to focus on the positive aspects of life. Even when I can't find my own, I know I can find it in nature, like the clear blue skies, the beautiful green mountains, and the beaming stars at night that guides my way. I am grateful for the opportunity to cleanse myself of negativity with the revitalizing power of nature. I am a magnet for positive energy and good vibrations. Just like the flowing river carries away negativity, I release all that no longer serves me. Like the sun dispels darkness, I am filled with light and positivity. The earth absorbs all negativity, grounding me and restoring my balance. I breathe in fresh air of nature, cleansing my mind and body of any negativity. The gentle breeze carries away all my worries and all of my anxieties, leaving me peace and calm. Surrounded by the beauty of nature, I feel peaceful and free from any negativity. Just like the leaves shed in autumn, I release all that no longer serves my highest good. And as we come to the end of our session, I want to thank you, and yourself thanks you for taking the time to show up for your self-care practice today. With consistent practice and dedication to your well-being, you will start to transform both your inner and outer world, helping you create better habits that take you from surviving to thriving. I hope you have enjoyed today's Good Girl Holistic Self-Care practice. My name is Elise, and I'll see you back here soon.